In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales rep performance in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. We'll set up a clean, focused goal so you can measure exactly what your sales rep is doing and see progress at a glance. Follow along in your own account if you can. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to Insights on the left sidebar. This is your reporting hub, where you'll build and review metrics. Once you're in Insights, look to the top left and click Create, then choose Goals. Goals turn your targets into trackable numbers, so Pipedrive can automatically calculate progress for you. Next, choose the entity you want to track for that sales rep. If you want to measure revenue outcomes, pick Deals. If you want to measure sales activity, like calls, emails, or meetings, choose Activities. Then select the goal type. For Deals, you might set 1 Deals if you're tracking closed-won outcomes, or Progressed if you care about moving deals forward through stages. For Activities, choose Completed to track how many actions your rep finishes. Pick the option that best reflects the result you want to hold the rep accountable for. Now, assign the goal. In the Assign field, select User. Then choose the specific sales rep you want to track. This ensures the goal only counts deals or activities owned by that person. Double-check you've selected the correct user so your reporting stays accurate. Enter the remaining goal details. Give the goal a clear name, like monthly 1 deals or weekly calls completed, so it's easy to find later. Set the target value, such as a deal count, a total deal value, or a number of activities. Choose the time frame that matches your review cadence, like weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and set start and end dates as needed. If you're tracking deals, you can refine the goal by pipeline, stage, or value to keep it aligned with your process. For activities, select the activity type if you want to focus on calls versus meetings, or leave it broad to capture everything. Keep your filters tight enough to be meaningful, but simple enough to maintain. When everything looks right, click Save. Pipedrive will immediately begin calculating progress using data within the time frame you set and will keep updating automatically. If the numbers look off, check ownership, filters, and dates. You can edit the goal anytime to fine-tune it, and that's all. By using Insights, creating a goal, picking the right entity and goal type, assigning it to your rep, filling in the details, and saving, you've set up reliable, ongoing performance tracking with just a few clicks.